Here's the finished one, and I just used a little bit of gold yellow inside of it. Nothing too major, but here's again the artboard that has all of the images around it. There's Dan, past student, that was used for doing some of the designing, which I'll talk about. And there's a few layers, the guide layer, the art layer, and the graphics. So when you take a look, just using the pen tool to try to position a pen line right in the middle of these letters that make up their logos. So the A is just two pieces that I've taken and copied by just flipping it on the other side. So, and just reducing that one down. So I've taken it and made the stroke pretty large, changed the color just to see it, and now taking a look at the path, outlining the stroke, and the pathfinders just to combine them. And this little piece in the middle, if you delete it, leaves a gap. You can always use path and join, or just use the pen tool's option of the minus to take it off of there. And that'll give you the inside logo. The second one is doing the circle, the outside circle, swapping it so it's just a stroke, no fill. And then these two white circles that make up the line, I just need the stroke for that. And then a baseline for the lettering. So the font is already up here. You can choose another one if you wish. But just highlighting it up at the top or on the Windows panel, changing the font to that style with the eyedrop tool. And then just using the capitals to highlight it. Now this is just in paragraph to center it, and then I have the midline to drag it across and open up the outside edges so that it matches. It's a little tricky. It's a little jumpy as well. And then in the tracking, just increase that a little bit so it fits into that size. Then just copy it, paste in front, take the text tool and highlight it and turn it to Dodgers and flip it to the other side and cross over that center and spread this out a little bit. Here you use just the baseline shift, and now the tracking is used to minimize it. So now I have all the parts and pieces I need, just hide the background pieces, and just go through, turn those two gold rings, or at least the white rings, to gold. The lettering and the spacing on the outside is there, and just to show you it's in the layers, you can do the same, drag the blue behind everything, or just arrange it and send it to the back. Now I have this overall graphic. I can hide that. Accidentally locked it, so just unlock it and hide it. Hit the tab key to get rid of all the pieces, the rulers, and the F key, and that gives you the final graphic.